You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this French surgeon? If you want to hear his full name, make sure to stay tuned. I've got a video with his full name, first name, middle name, everything. His name, if you just want the name here, Malgaigne is how it's said in French. I know it's confusing. Let's break it down. Malgaigne. 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 In English you can say it as Malgaigne. Malgaigne. So it's kind of like Malgaigne, but Malgaigne. Malgaigne with a ny sound at the end. Malgaigne. I know it's a bit confusing, but now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.